Tengo this ones. Hold on. I want to make sure that that's what you do. What is? They lied to us. Yeah, they lied to us. I mean, they lied to us.
They lied to us, or you read the directions wrong?
No, they lied to us.
Oh, that's a shorter one? Or longer one?
Put it there.
Oh my God, liars.
They are liars. Okay, here. Hold it. Here.
Can I see your safety glasses? Huh. IKEA gone wrong. There's the chair. Very nice. Do you love it? Hey guys, so this vlog is super short. It's basically Emily and Dad putting together an IKEA chair. We haven't vlogged in a while because we've been super sick. I am just recovering. I had an ear infection, nasal infection, cough, fevers. It was pretty insane, and since I am expecting, I wasn't able to take, you know, my normal cold medicine or anything, so I had to see a doctor and got antibiotics for the ear infection and some other stuff for the cough and the cold. But Jose was also sick, and he is still kind of sick. He has gone back to work, but he's still not feeling 100% himself, and I am not either. The kids that I work with are all sick too, so there's just something going around. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly come on here and just kind of do an update. That's why there hasn't been many vlogs, but today is March 1st, and I am super excited because it is starting to be a lot lighter out when I get out of work, and spring is coming. So that's something to look forward to. That's very exciting. Make sure you stay tuned for more vlogs coming up. We will be vlogging more. It's just we were sick and I just couldn't see myself doing anything besides laying in bed and trying to get better. But anyways, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.